Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chikuwa to okura no tempura. It's tempura using chikuwa fish cake and okra. Very easy, simple and quick dish. I'm also showing you how to whip up tempura dipping sauce in 3 minutes, so don't miss that too. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this chikuwa to okura no tempura, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 6 chikuwa fish cakes, 12 okra, about half a cup of cake flour or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of potato starch or cornstarch. For the dipping sauce, 4 tablespoons each of soy sauce and mirin, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 packs of katsuobushi fish flakes. I'm going to prepare the okra first. Okra is hairy. To remove the hair, sprinkle some salt, just random amount, and roll it. Then rinse off the salt. Cut the stem off just a little bit because it's dried. Remove this black part. It's a little tough here. Then make some slits here. This is the way out for the hot air inside while it's being fried, so that it doesn't explode. Same for the rest of the okra. Let's cut chikuwa into half and put the okra in the hole here. Okay, let's make the tempura batter. Flour, potato starch, and half a cup of cold water. Doesn't have to be chilled. Give it a mix. Try not to over mix it. It's still lumpy, but this is good. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. It's about an inch from the bottom of the frying pan. Let's check the temperature. Put dumb chopsticks into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up like this, that's the right temperature. Let's dip this in the batter. Make sure it's all coated. Then gently into the oil. Don't throw it in. Gently into the oil. Then fry them little over 1 minute on each side. Fry for 3 minutes or so. Let's take them out. Before moving on to the next batch, remove the tempura bits in the frying pan. Okay, all fried. Let's make the dipping sauce. Prepare 200 ml of water. Put mirin, soy sauce, sugar. Give it a mix. Then, katsuobushi fish flakes. And microwave this 2 minutes at 800 watts. Give it a mix one last time. Strain it in the serving bowl. And the dipping sauce is ready. Too easy. Time for the tasting. Let me show you how it looks inside. Let's dip it in the sauce. And いただきます。This is my most favorite way to eat okra. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Chikuwa to okra no tempura is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and enoki miso soup or any soup you like here. How about ninjin to nuts no salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.